Have you ever wondered why we yawn, why we get goosebumps, or why ice cream makes your head hurt? Today on CurioKids, we're solving 5 of the weirdest body mysteries you've always wanted to know. Let's dive in. Mystery 1. Why do we yawn? Yawns are more than just being tired. Scientists believe yawning helps cool down our brains, almost like giving your head a little breathe. It also helps us take in more oxygen when our body needs a boost. And guess what? Yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, your brain copies it. Try not to yawn right now. Mystery 2. Why do we get goosebumps? Goosebumps are tiny bumps on your skin when you feel cold or scared. It happens because little muscles under your skin pull your hairs up. Long ago, when humans had more hair, this made us look bigger and scarier to predators, just like cats when they puff up. Now, it's mostly just a leftover reflex. Mystery 3. Why do we get brain freeze? Ever eaten ice cream too fast? Ouch! That sudden pain in your forehead is called brain freeze. It happens when something super cold touches the roof of your mouth. The blood vessels in your head quickly shrink and then expand, sending pain signals to your brain. Luckily, it only lasts a few seconds, so you can go back to enjoying your ice cream. Mystery 4. Why do we hiccup? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the big muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly squeezes. It makes your vocal cords snap shut, and out comes that funny hic sound. Hiccups usually happen when you eat too fast, drink fizzy soda, or even laugh too much. Most hiccups go away on their own in a few minutes. Mystery 5. Why do we get dizzy when we spin? Spinning around makes you dizzy because of the balance system inside your ears. Your inner ear has tiny fluid-filled canals that tell your brain which way your head is moving. When you spin, the fluid keeps swirling even after you stop. So your brain thinks you're still moving. That's why you wobble and feel dizzy until the fluid settles. So now you know. Yawns cool your brain, goosebumps come from our animal past, brain freeze is a mouth trick, hiccups are from your breathing muscle, and dizziness comes from your ears. Isn't the human body amazing? Which body mystery do you think is the funniest? Tell us in the comments. And if you loved this adventure, hit subscribe and join CurioKids, where curiosity never stops.